Hello all. In this video, we will show the steps to follow to connect to the programming interface. The Ethernet ports of touchscreens are dynamically configured by default. If there is a device on the network that automatically distributes IP addresses, the panels will receive the IP address. You can see the IP address of the touch panel from the Application Settings submenu of the Settings section on the screen. If there is no device in the network that automatically distributes IP addresses, the display must be given a fixed IP address. This can be done from the Integrator menu. You can then access the Integrator menu by clicking on the application version 4 times on the touch panel. The default password is 1234. After entering this menu, change the Ethernet 0 interface settings to static IP. After entering a blank IP address in the network, connect your computer to the same local network and give it a fixed IP. After connecting your computer and the touch panel to the same network and entering the IP address of this touch panel into your computer's web browser, you will access the programming interface. In case there is no local network, you can connect to the programming interface by following the same steps after connecting the display to the computer via the Ethernet 0 interface. Before you start configuring the touch panel, it needs to be updated to the latest version. If the touch panel has internet access, go to the Settings menu on the screen. If an update is available in the Application Settings submenu, a warning will appear. When the Update button is clicked, the new version is downloaded from Core Cloud and automatically loaded onto the screen. After entering the IP address into the browser, the login page will open. You can enter the programming interface by entering the username and password. The default username and password are as shown. When you log in to the programming interface, the page that appears contains programming interface shortcuts. From this shortcut tab, you can change your programming interface login password, restart the device, and log out of the system. The Language Options section contains the language options of the programming interface. The languages supported in the programming interface are Turkish and English. In this section, programming interface menus, summary information, and general information about the screen appear. It will be discussed in more detail in the following videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.